How to change my business account to a personal account on Instagram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change my business account to a personal account on Instagram. First, open your Instagram application and go to your profile. Then, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Business Tools and Controls. Next, tap on Switch Account Type. Now tap on Switch to Personal Account. Confirm by tapping on Switch to Personal Account again. After that, go to your profile and refresh it. Then, tap on the three lines again and select Account Privacy. Finally, turn on the toggle for Private Account. This will change your business account to a personal account on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.